Tuloy ang laban sa PBA. Tayo ang Pina!
About the teams of the Eagles that all do on the basket. They're mostly the same. Walker, Harris. And if you're not careful, you could mix them up after. 7 imports have returned to our shores for this particular conference. Here's an outside shot by Jake Norwood that breaks the ice for rain or shine. It's now 3.
I will just go for the offensive rebounds, pero ngayon, alam mo, kasama na yun sa arsenal niya.
In the meantime, Calvin Agueva cleaning it up and giving Magnolia a
Sabi na Calvin Agueva, his activity, his motor in getting those offensive rebounds, nagkakakumpiyansa yung kanyang mga kakampi.
And Mocon, who is a recent graduate, his degree, we were talking earlier today, and he really wanted to complete his degree aside from having his basketball career. Baroka scoring.
So Mark Baroka already with 4.
Into the corner we go. The high loop. Yes!
This is another guy. The nice and selfish move by Baroka. He attempted to trap the basket and then dished off a nice assist pass.
First block of the game, but it's still with the possessions, but their hustle has created. Paulie with a great lead pass, the finish.
So again, if there is one thing that Rainer Shine has to understand is that Magnolia will always push these 2 safety defenders. Otherwise, ganun ang mangyayari. Napakadaling tira, napakadaling score para sa Magnolia.
Here's a shot from the side. Mocon taking care. We're dancing at the top of the key. Oh, here's... Muntik lumampas yung pasa na yun ni Walker, pero yung tira. Mocon is on the...
Yung tira nito mga kampi ni Walker early in the first.
Mocon has 8 of the 11 points. The other 3 points courtesy of Norwood. Agueva finding a wide open.
Bawiin ni Ponferrada, hindi naman pumasok yung 3 niya.
Sabi ni Calvin, ganito yan.
Patira pa lang, alam mo na eh. It's the lead of Magnolia to 7. Their biggest in the ballgame.
That's their biggest lead so far. This time will work.
Because he was able to soften the defense as soon as he got that.
We welcome you to this game. Magnolia is in front, 20-13. Good start. But this shot, grabe ang confidence nitong
Itong si Ian Sanggalang is more of a back-to-the-basket attacker.
At saka yung pivot moves niya have improved tremendously as Harris
Bigyan niya muna yung mga kampi niya na mainit. Tapos ngayon, okay, susubok muna siya every now and then. Pumasok naman agad. Look at Raymond Batten. He's just a scoring machine right now.
Oh, ibang klase.
Grabe. Cebu, Bohol, Siargao. Wow.
Sa Negros Occidental.
Yes.
Pakamuda sa Negros, ha? Halong kamuda. Samantala.
Prepare also for this particular conference. Of course, Magnolia, ayaw nila na second place lang sila. So they are determined really to perform better and no less than a championship. Dekada dyan.
A little too long on that one. Walker has to stoop down. Here's an open shot. Will work for Jackson. And
call you out for your lapses. In fact, madami na itong napagsabihan dito sa Rainer Shine, but he will also motivate you to do better. And as a result, yung mga teammates niya are stepping up their game and becoming more focused.
That there's 6 out of 11 from deep in the first quarter.
That's
so
true.
Rainer Shine, exceptional here in the first.
great look. And a great position.
Operate 8 feet and below for their offense.
Great pass by Harris in the meantime. Walker drills it in from 3-point country.
Maintained that mindset of we are a defensive team, and now Rainer Shine with already 31 points with still over 1 minute remaining.
And we are exchanging
Ang kanyang priority.
in the meantime. Nambata struggling to receive the ball, and Magnolia on that attack. And now they're on an upsurge here. They now lead by 3. Playing this matchup game. The dish outside, Belga whips it to the side, the open shot. Jackson may have been fouled there. But they will
10
declare it.
from the two-point era, which is even higher. The problem for them is, why did they allow Rain or Shine to score 31 points? Yun ang mga bagay-bagay na sisiguraduhin ni Coach Chito, hindi mangyayari. Tignan natin kung sino ang magkakaroon ng konting advantage dito sa second quarter, playing with an all-Filipino complement.
That runner finds its way home.
Sa sobrang ganda ng energy, minsan wala rin siyang control, but so far so good for Gio.
First 2 minutes of the second quarter. Borpos attacks.
He's playing with so much power. He likes his matchup against Borboran. He feels like he's got this.
Definitely a trendsetter here in the PBA, no question. Look at that screen.
You just have to appreciate if you have a teammate.
Basketball term is the defense was frozen. It's better in Filipino. Napura yung defense. In the meantime, Halalo, you're very...
Good, you talked about the first one. Nabura yung depensa ni Gio Halalo, nakatrese ng batak. Ito naman, nawala rin.
Attack. Here's a great attack by Corpus that finds its way home.
Just enough soft touch for Magnolia, enjoying a 6-point advantage.
Great pass. Borboran with his second basket.
Breakdown offense, the hard pen shot. It seemed like a good shot for a better basket for your teammate. So, yun ang mga gandang mga opensa na pinapakita ng Rain or Shine. Samantala naman, nagpapakita ng lakas.
As Mokon starts his drive, it's steal. Here comes Corpus. He will dish to the left and a great time.
And another perfect example.
And will try his best to send some help quickly. In the meantime, 6.5 minutes remaining. Rain or Shine. Oh, that worked!
And it's always because the other team is already scoring. You come up with an execution, your import will save the day for you because of an easy basket. But on the other side, there has to be a better interior defense for Rain.
Who is going to score for Rain or Shine? Can't shoot. Block! And Baroka said, gotcha. Nice ball.
Against one of the best perimeter defenders, and you cannot just shoot over Mark Baroka. Mark Baroka has incredible timing. He's not just going to wait.
52 here before in the second quarter. Ball lead, isolated on the right flank. Drive by Harris. It will not crawl in. The follow-up works. The flamboyant is okay if it inspires the team, but you want efficiency first. As a Puebla plucks it away, he will try. Oh, great move.
Just completing the feed, that whatever you call it, Filipino step. He was able to elude the defense of Norwood.
Which is the next level move, brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. I believe we are in a 30, so we can talk action in addition.
Yun lang ang kaya ko. Wala na.
Let's keep it there. But this one should stay here, yes. Hindi naman, wala pa akong naisip sa social media terms.
Pero meron na, Viber and Telegram.
Ayun, hindi naman. 1:18 to go in your second quarter. Nice pass, nice bag. Nearly dropped it, but they found a way.
Just so patient with his back. Pangalawa, may quarantine requirements pa. Kaya ang tagal bago ka makapag-decide na makapagpalit ng import. Touch move ang imports na yun.
Exactly. Point lead. This whole lead was at 12 actually. Belga free. Loads up a 3. Gets it to go!
The deep side wing is the best pass across.
Well, in the meantime, Rain or Shine has trying to find an offensive rhythm here. Good attack by Torres.
You seldom see that, an attacking.
He is angled away. 11 on the shot clock on this set. Quick release on the baseline.
By Walker, 4 points in a row for the big man.
12 was the biggest lead of Magnolia in the first 24 minutes. Great drive.
And this
Sakanan waltzing with Torres. Here's the outside attempt. Bingo. And that's even another term.
manches sa bingo na yan.
That'll work.
PBA
The red light in San Beda, 8 to 11, and then ligo agad, sabi niya, he would go to class. Aantok-antok pa raw. Wow, look at this. Harris beginning to...
So, if you can't beat him, join him.
Yes.
Parang ganun ang naging konsepto ni Mike Harris.
And Mopo now beginning to get baskets together,
Mga nanonood ng
regardless
PBA.
of their loyalties. And Kinito Henson was telling me yesterday also when he did the game from Ginebra, the Ginebra fans also, they were riding on Robert. They can go various ways. Here's an open shot. Just offline. Follow up. Yes.
That will be very
Alam mo ikaw, tama si Ate Howe eh. Bata ka pa eh. Don't say it's done yet. You'll never know. 70-60. If you're Magnolia, you like the pace of the all-break movement. Minsan na footwork pa lang, alam mo.
lumalaki na itong lamang na Magnolia. They've been consistent in leading the quarter scoring. Plus 3 in the first quarter now. Plus
Rebound. Side step, yes.
it's obviously a step towards the right direction for Rain or Shine. Allow nila itong Magnolia. They have 5-man defenders. Mahihirapan talaga sila umiscore.
Whoa. Second look at this. Oh, no look. I love it in Filipino. Sa air.
Tsaka yung kanyang destination is if he was faking up. Yes. Tapos puro itim na ano lang. Parang cloth lang.
Yep.
Di ba?
This will count. This will count. Oh, akala ko yung sasabi ko. Ito, Belga. Yes! Babarel. Yun, dedicated kanino man
Oo
yun.
nga eh. Go Belga. And now zone defense applied by Rain or Shine. Let's see if they can make a stop.
Belga has 12 points. Nagkasabitan si Harris. De La Rosa. Pass to Sangalan. Tries to squeeze through 2 defenders. No, he gets it back. Ay, found the way! Make the son of a foul!
So it turned out again for Magnolia. Let's take a look at that one again. Nowhere to go. It was under duress. An extreme traffic jam. Let's go.
Walker scoops down low. Starts his baseline drive. Can't shake off Harris. He is bothered. Time down to 1 minute and 15. That'll work, the 3.
So a little adjustment at the point of attack. The next best thing is just if they face up and shoot that 3.
Downstairs. Ah, no. Getting this. Well-crafted move.
Hindi eh. Angal ka sa referee, nakashoot na kalaban mo.
Tapos na. 21 na. Huli sa taas.
And that is how you play defense.
Basket here in the 3rd. Allow start his motion. Oh, that makes things up. Classical. We'll tell you more about that as we proceed with our program. 4th quarter. The onus is on Rain or Shine here to get things going. They tried. They cut it down. Here's Mopo slowing it down. Thought about releasing Belga. No hesitation.
Ay, no, pass na pass, biglang pumasok.
Okay.
Uy, kung baka forma. But look at this again. This has been the problem for the defense of Magnolia because they were not able to anticipate na yung pasang yun papasok.
Yeah. Wala akong masabi tuloy kanina. Oh, no. Yeah, in my mouth, and I am in a state of shock. Assist na, basket foul. We will replay that a million times. I can tell you. Bawel. Hindi may pasa. Sarado ang vision for the basket. Great pass to the middle.
They have a lot of options, yes. Gio Lalon making it right.
Action in the first down. Shot clock at 11. Ahmad Bisi likes this corner. Why not? Ronnie, yung typical him is that papahinga lang po, papahinga lang.
And that is also one of the reasons why in his career he actually shot from the free throw line close to 90%.
So the Walker drilling in a long one, and the lead is whittled down to 15. A lot of time remaining, but Magnolia has just found a way to respond
Behind Mikey Williams.
But the other night, he decided to take over the game. He was fully in charge of that game. There's a drive. Monterrate, Lee is rejected. Rejected anew. Here's a jumper. That stays in.
Same situation. Almost the same refrain we've been seeing.
Time is beginning to run out. The Alaska Painters, 5:14 to go. Oh, great move.
And this is where I am so impressed with this import. He is already 38 shooting, plus 20.1 rebounds. In his very first game against Terra Firma, he had 30 and 15. This guy is not getting old. He's always in shape. He's not able to complete the feat because they were not able to get the defensive rebound. But their problems started to compound when they lost possessions because of turnovers. Again, if there is one stat line that they will be focusing on, and the coaches would always, yun ang naging game changer sa laban nito.
Alam mo, ang turnovers, it's easy to say from an analytical point of view. Manage your turnovers. No, it's really Magnolia with a well-crafted, well-executed second win.
Clinical precision, wire-to-wire for Magnolia. Sayang hindi natin nakita magtagal maglaro itong silapot. Binigyan ng chance pero dalawang balik lang. Tapos na laban.
Yes.